I am Sam Albanese at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. In today's weather around the state, we do have some warnings for blizzard conditions up along the Arctic coast east of Barrow to Demarcation Point, as well as wind chills to 60 below. We also are looking at a winter weather advisory for blowing snow and snow in the Bristol Bay region, and that's expected tomorrow. 4 to 7 inches of snow with windy conditions and blowing snow, reducing visibilities. What's causing this is on our weather map. We do have a low pressure system south of the Aleutian Islands with a stationary frontal boundary that extends on into the Gulf of Alaska, and some windy conditions along that frontal boundary in Bristol Bay have been resulting in some blowing snow there. And up along the Arctic coast, we do have a tight pressure gradient from high pressure over the interior and an Arctic low pressure system that are producing those blowing snow and blizzard-like conditions for that region. By tonight, we'll still have our low pressure system south of the Alaska Peninsula and eastern Aleutian Islands, with a weak ridge of high pressure in the Gulf of Alaska and then a dominant area of high pressure over the mainland. Expect some rain and snow across Kodiak Island to the Alaska Peninsula, snow with blowing snow in the Pribilof Islands, clear and very cold conditions across much of the interior with temperatures reaching down to 45 below in the upper Yukon Valley, and a continuation of the snow and blowing snow along the Arctic coast east of Barrow with blizzard-like conditions. By Tuesday, we'll still have low pressure south of the Alaska Peninsula, with a weak ridge of high pressure up into southeast Alaska and high pressure dominating much of the interior. Some cloudy conditions can be expected over southeast Alaska with rain and snow likely across the Kodiak Island area. Snow with blowing snow in the Bristol Bay region. Over much of the interior, expect patchy fog in the valleys as well as very cold conditions. And the snow and blowing snow up along the eastern Arctic coast will be abating. By Wednesday, we will still have low pressure south of the Alaska Peninsula with a lobe of low pressure extending south of Kodiak Island into the Gulf of Alaska. This will bring rain into southeast Alaska with a mixture of rain and snow into the mid-panhandle with snow and some blowing snow up into the northern panhandle. Clear cold conditions will persist over much of mainland Alaska with some cloudy conditions up along the Arctic coast. With Alaska statewide weather, I am Sam Albanese of the National Weather Service.